Let's talk pre-assessment. So welcome back to Spring 2023 with Becky. The pre-assessment has really one purpose, and that is just to see where you're at on day one. I know it says there 20 points associated with this, but that's basically, if you do it, you get 20 points, okay? This is not like if you do poorly, you're going to lose points. That's not how the pre-assessment works. You are not penalized for not knowing things at the beginning, okay? The main goal of the pre-assessment is so that you take it on day one, probably don't do very well because it's day one, and then at the end when you take the final exam, we can compare them to see, are we actually teaching what we need to? Are students learning what we are hoping that they learn? So again, the 20 points in the pre-assessment, you are awarded for completing the activity. When you finish and it says 1 out of 20 and you go, oh, don't do that, because I'm going to go in after the 18th, right? Because the due date is the 18th. I'm going to go in, and if you have any number at all, it's going to be changed to a 20. All right? So don't worry about that. Now, how this works, you're going to come into the course. You're going to click on Module 1 here. You're going to click on Pre-Assessment, and it's going to take you right in to this course here. You're going to see it says quiz. Everything's going to be saved. It tells you like when it's date, whatever, the end time. But it is due on the 18th. I think I might need to change that due date here. Okay, so you're going to hit start, and it's going to give you 25 questions. And you're going to go in and you're going to read this, and you're going to, maybe you know, maybe you don't, and you're going to go through and say, oh yeah, I know how to do this, you know, and you're going to type in your answers. You're going to do whatever you need to do. If you know them, great. If you know how to do it, amazing. This also helps us to say, if 95% of people know how to do this on day one, why are we wasting time doing it during the semester? So this is giving us just a lot of data. One, how to make the course better to start, and are we really measuring what we want to throughout, right? So you're helping us gather data. Once you're done, get to the bottom here, you'll hit submit. Yes, submit anyway. Hopefully you answer things. And then it will tell you, just kidding, it's not going to tell you your results because, I don't know, we don't have that set up. But again, I just want to stress, this is not supposed to cause you stress. The whole goal of this is for us to collect data and to help make this course better and to make sure we're teaching you what you need in this course. All right, so complete it by the end of day on January 18th, which is Wednesday. And as soon as you complete it, feel good about it because it's over and you've just earned your first 20 points in this course. If you have questions, of course, you can always email me and we can go from there. Thanks. Looking forward to this semester.